Slide one panel onto the base, guiding the tabs into the corners. Slide the panel until firmly seated onto the base. Repeat for the opposite side panel. Slide the remaining panels into the corner rails. Making sure they are seated firmly into the base. Attach the optional spike to the center of the base with the included screw and washer. Set the mirror in the bottom. Attach the top with solar light by guiding the tabs into the corners, pressing firmly so the top is securely seated on the side panels. That's it! Great job assembling your solar-powered Bollard light from nature's Lumen.